In Mixed Majors music production camps, kids and teens learn how to create their own music using technology. This process is called music production, and this is how music is made in the 21st century. Throughout the camp, students learn music production essentials like beat making, remixing, melody and chord composition, sampling, and even some basic audio engineering. These creative skills let kids and teens create music that's unique, that's personal, and most importantly, that's theirs. Whatever the student's skill level, each student's progress is tracked individually by an expert instructor with music industry experience. On the final day of camp, family and friends are invited to a listening party so that they can listen to the student's music and see how it was made. By the end of camp, each student walks away with their own self-produced physical CD containing all of their music. By the end of camp, every student is a producer.